Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gazwe Patrick. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link JPESA to your HTML project so that you can collect payments from your customers. Now, what JPESA does, JPESA is a company here in Uganda that can enable you collect payments from your web page. And you can do this directly by following the method I'm going to show you. So now let's get started. The very first thing you need is to create JPESA account. You go to jpesa.com, then you register account, and then this is what you need to do after doing that. So from the menu of JPESA, you will click on help and info, and then you choose API documentation. So we are going to use API to connect it to our project. So under API documentation, this is what we shall see. And now this is what we are going to do. I'm focusing on a project that uses HTML, but you can control the way you collect payments when you are using PHP. But for this video, I'm focusing on HTML. I will do another video while showing you how to focus on PHP. PHP gives you more advanced ways of controlling how you collect payments from customers. But this time around, we are going to use HTML, and this is going to be so simple. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on advanced buttons. So if we click on advanced buttons, then we shall come across the page that is about to come next. So this is what we shall get. This code, this is the code we need. In this code, we are going to find our username of JPESA. That this is the one. So it means this code is set for our account. So I'm going to copy this code out, copy it, then I'm going to take it into my project. So I want my project to be in this. So I'm going to right click, let me edit it with Notepad, and then I'm going to paste in this code. So when I paste the code here, let me save. And when I refresh in my project, I'll see a form. So if you can see Uganda shillings amount the user wants to pay. For example, I want to pay 5,000. Then I'll click on make payment. When I click on make payment, I will be redirected to JPESA. When I'm redirected to JPESA, there will be a form for me to complete the phone number, the email address, and my name. So if I fill this form and I click on make payment, phone number, my phone will pop up asking me to enter PIN to confirm the payment. That is very easy way of integrating JPESA. But next time I will show you more advanced way of doing it. If you don't want to be redirected to JPESA and you want the whole process to be carried out from your page, then there we shall need PHP. But in this case, I've showed you that just we need a simple code got from JPESA API documentation page, and this is the code we need. So you can customize this code, the code I'm going to put in description, by replacing this uganda.escrow now with your JPESA username. But if you want to get your own code customized with your JPESA username, you log in into your JPESA account, then navigate to API documentation. You will get that code. So that's how we are going to do that. So whatever we can see in this code, we can as well modify this code to put in the stylings and so on. And that's how we are going to correct the payments just by using JPESA. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and like this video so that I can make more others. Thank you so much. My name is Gazwe Patrick.